Oh, damn rough that is, Jen. Fucking hell. Bastard nearly blinded me. Shit in my eye. Can you see it, camera? See the shit? Quick. It's gone in my eyeball. Shit in my eye, the dirty bastard. Straight in the corner of the eye.
You can't even move.
Filthy. Nearly blind me that did. Shit straight in the eye. I was on the phone to look at my eye. Seagull shit. You got him in there. Don't call me, the dirty sod. He just straight in the eye. Shit. Bill. No, not really. Didn't like it. Camera obscura, look at that. Constitution Hill.